It's not as simple as some might believe in making money online. Many individuals think that making money online is simple. Consequently, you're likely to believe someone is lying if they claim you can earn money quickly and easily online. YouTube can help in this situation. By watching videos on YouTube, you can easily earn money, although it might sound too good to be true. We will tell you in today's video that it is. YouTube is utilized for more than just generating revenue from advertising. Simply by watching several videos on YouTube, you can also make good money. As for money, there are several channels through which you can withdraw your money. Make sure to opt for the channel easily accessible in your country because a payment channel like PayPal isn't available in many countries, which is why many users might find it difficult to withdraw money from their accounts. I'm confident that by this point you're excited. As a result, we won't waste more time and get right to how you may earn money by just viewing YouTube videos. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel since we'll be bringing you multiple videos where you may learn how to generate money in various methods. You won't want to miss that, we're sure of it. It is a straightforward scheme for you to earn $91 an hour by simply watching videos. It is as easy as it gets, so we're sure you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Without further delays, let us get right into the method of making money by watching YouTube videos. It is one of the easiest ways to earn money online, so you might wonder, why isn't everyone doing it right? Today, people are worried about experimenting with new techniques because they result in scams. Nobody would like to lose their hard-earned money through scams. So one good thing about this earning technique we are bringing you today is that you can earn money without subscribing anywhere and without any membership. All of this is entirely free. So if you doubt us, we would advise you to go through the entire procedure yourself. Don't trust us, trust the process. What to do? You first need to play the YouTube video on your PC, phone, or any other device you have. The second thing is to watch it for at least 60 seconds. It can be any video. It doesn't have to be any special video because to make money, we need to watch any video. During this part, you can start the video and do whatever you are doing because your time is precious, and you can't spend all of it just watching videos. So play the video and do whatever you are doing. The final step is to cash out your earnings. We discovered how to make money by watching YouTube videos after spending many hours researching the topic. The fact that you can do this from anywhere in the world is the finest part. These videos are easily accessible and have no geographic restrictions. To withdraw money, you'll need to use a different payment channel because PayPal isn't offered in all nations. As we've already indicated, this technique isn't limited to PayPal, so you can select any payment channel you like. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world, and it is entirely free to use for users of all ages. You don't need any identification to sign up, nor do they ask you for any money. All you need to do is go to the website, use an email account, and sign up. It's that easy. Signing up is super easy because no additional details are asked, and you do not need to carry out lengthy security checks to prove your identity. Signing up is one of the easiest processes on the website, which is why we have chosen this website. Before we proceed, stick around until the end of this video so you can get bonus tips along the way. Watching this video right till the end is going to help you a lot. You might have some confusion if you don't watch the entire video because all the steps are told in detail. Another thing we would like you to do so is to mention the country where you're from in the comments. It helps us to pick out where most of our viewers are watching from. It allows us to create content catered to countries where you can earn money easily. It all depends on how much you're willing to work because with this method, you can earn money in double and even triple quantities. $91 per hour might not seem that much, but when you combine this amount several times, you can earn hundreds or even thousands. So if you're willing to make money the easy way, then you're in the right place because that is what we will help you with. Zoombucks. As promised, the website we would like you to visit is zoombucks.com. This website is free, secure, and completely legit. On this website, you can earn money by completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and doing offers that will help you greatly. However, since we're focused on making money by watching YouTube videos, so we will not deviate from that. Otherwise, this video will become too irrelevant. Now, I will explain how this website works. The first thing you need to do is to create a free account to complete your overall profile. When you sign up, you must provide basic information such as your name and email address. If you want to take surveys on this website, you will need to provide other demographics. These include your age, occupation, and income bracket. But since we'll be focusing on watching videos, only then you don't need to provide any of this information. Once you sign up for the website, you can move on to the second step, finding a channel that interests you. As you know, there is unlimited content on YouTube, so you can watch absolutely anything and get paid for it. There's no reason you should not enjoy this because you can pick out videos that interest you and start watching them earn money. Watch something you want to make the money you earn worthwhile. Watching a video of something that doesn't interest you won't be fun. You'll eventually think of it as a waste of time and might even stop doing it. That's precisely what we don't want you to do. The third step is to start watching the videos after selecting the one you want to watch. As soon as you find the video you want to watch, get to watch the video without wasting any time. You'll have to watch the entire video if you want to earn money from it, but you can play the video and do whatever you want to do. Make sure the video is playing and there aren't any interruptions in the video. You're good to go as long as there are no stoppages or interruptions and the video keeps playing. Some offers have specific viewing requirements. For example, some offers require you to watch 3 videos to earn money, whereas others require you to watch only a single one to earn. This is entirely up to you whether you want to watch just one video or a series of videos to earn money. Since this is your choice, you can choose it according to your liking. If you have more time, watch more videos, but if you're short on time, you can watch a single video. Either way, you'll be earning money. You can also look for channels that help you to earn more. Switching between channels allows you to find a video you want to watch. Once you're done choosing and watching the video, you can redeem your points as cash or gift cards. Accumulate as many points as possible to earn cash because the more points you earn, the more cash you will get. We hope you know this by now. The more hours you put in, the more videos you watch, and the more money you'll earn. It's as simple as that. So make sure to watch this video right till the end to know how to make money by watching YouTube videos only. As mentioned earlier, the first step is to create a new account on this website. To do this, go to the homepage of this website and click on Sign Up. You'll need to sign up with an email account that is yours. You can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account, which will be far easier. After you enter your email, you will need to create a password, after which your registration on this website will be complete. Next, once you've signed up to the website, you can now check how much money you can make. When you go to the website's leaderboard, you can see that people have made hundreds and thousands of dollars. It will be motivation for you that you can also end up doing the same, but only if you put in the required effort. The leaderboard shows that all these individuals earn money on Zoombucks by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part about this website is that there are unlimited videos that a person can watch every day, and these videos reset every day, which means that there is an unlimited opportunity for you to earn money through these videos. To get started, click on Watch on the left-hand side of the navigation bar. After that, you'll see these boxes with Hideout TV and Lootably on them. You'll see their offer details if you hover your cursor over them. You will then click on Lootably by clicking this Start button. You will then be redirected to a page where you can choose the category of the video. You can select videos of food, do-it-yourself, or any random video you would like to watch. There's no restriction on watching videos apart from the categories mentioned for you. On the right-hand side of this page, you can see how many points you will be able to earn in their respective categories. You can see how many points you'll be earning before you start watching a video. If you select the food category, you will be taken to another website where you must sign up the same way you did on Zoombucks. Once you sign up, you can watch all the food category videos. This website will allow you to watch as many videos as you want. One major tip we would like to give you is that you can open multiple videos simultaneously on different tabs to earn money faster. Just start the videos and let them keep on playing. You don't need to watch every video separately. It's how you can save time on these videos. Using this method, you'll be able to watch other videos while doing other things. Using this method, you'll be able to earn the most money in the least possible time, along with the least possible effort. Another tip you can follow is to set the video settings to the lowest possible quality because this will help buffer the video faster, and you can watch these videos quickly. These bonus tips are super practical, and you can use them to double and triple your amount. All of this will work like a charm if you're willing to put in the effort. Best of luck in watching these videos and earning money.